Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 16. The second point has x equals 72, and y equals 0.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 72, the run is 70. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 16 to y equals 0, the rise is negative 16.
Slope is rise divided by run, negative 16 over 70, which simplifies to negative 8 over 35. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is negative 8 over 35, x1 is 2, and y1 is 16.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.